I would like to use this opportunity to reveal to you your true worth. You are the light of the world. You are the salt of the earth. You are a solution to somebody, somewhere. Someone needs you, and they're looking for you. The pastor painted a picture today about a young child in a dark room. Not only is this young child by himself in a dark room, he's with other people. But there's a difference. This young child has a torchlight. If everybody needed to leave that dark room, only that young child could supply the direction because he has the light. At the end of the day, because he has the light, he becomes the leader for the day. In the same way, I would like to let you know this, that the world is not looking at your age. The world is looking for a solution. Whether you are 12 years old or you are 52, if you are able to find and provide solution to a problem, you are essentially the expert or the leader in that area. I'd like to challenge you to let out that light, that gift, those ideas, those insights, those messages in you. Because there's somebody somewhere who is looking for you and who needs you. And this should, ignite a sense of responsibility in you. Have you ever tasted food without salt? You just know that there's something missing. In the same way, this world without you, this world without your input is missing something. It's missing something. And just in the same way as we can't taste the value or the real essence of the meal without salt being added, you, without your input in this earth, we're missing something as a body. We need your value. You are value added. We need your extra input. Many of the times we say the body of Christ. One time I would like to explain this to us, that although we are a body, we're not all the same part. In order for us to function effectively, all our parts must be functioning and must be doing what we have been created to do. So I'm not telling you to copy somebody. I'm not telling you to copy somebody or imitate someone. Rather, I'm telling you to discover what God has created you to do and strive to maximize your potential. We can't all be the hand. We can't all be the neck. We can't all be the head. We can't all be the knees. But God has a special place for us in his master plan. And I'd just like you to locate this and run with it. I thank God for the people who are impacting millions around the world and who are making global impact. Equally, I want to thank God also for the individuals who are making impact in their villages and their estate. Because at the end of the day, thank God for those who are hitting the majorities, but we also need people to aim at the minorities. And how God works in his master plan is he has designed certain people for the majorities, and he's also designed certain people for the minorities. And it's not that somebody has a greater, God had a better plan for him. Each person equally has a colorful destiny. That's one thing I would like to paint, I would like to show you today. You have a colorful destiny. Nobody can take it from you. Your future is bright. But you can only access that great future and at the end of the day be recorded on heaven's books as that good and faithful servant if you embrace what God has created you to do and you give it your best. Miles Monroe told us that there are many books, there are poems, there are many things in many people, but they've gone to the grave with it. That's why the graveyard is the richest place on earth, because so many people have gone to the grave with their potentials. So I'd just like to challenge you this today and this week to let out that light in you, to let out that insight in you, to let out that gift in you and impact somebody's life positively. Don't worry about the resources. Don't worry. Don't look down at your age. Don't look down at, where you are right now. Just be focused on what you're doing right now and God will show you the next step. God bless you.